Good morning, student. Welcome to hashtag Maths Adda. My name is Master Akesh. There is a excellent series of triangular numbers or pattern. What are these? A triangular patterns refers to a sequence of number arranged so that they can form a triangle where each row has one more number than the previous row. This is very important. So it is saying, suppose that it is saying, so if we'll ask you, you will say one dot, how will it make a triangle? Yes, one dot can make a tiny triangle. One dot, a tiny triangle it can make. Okay, one dot. If the second one, three dot, means 1 2 3. So this is a kind of triangle it is making. So this is a triangle number. A number which can make a triangle, they can form a triangle, is known as triangular number or pattern. 6 number. So if you see what it is saying, each row has one more number than the previous row. 1 2. Here it was one number, then 2 dots, then again 1 2 3. So 3 plus 2, 5 plus 1. This is 1 plus 2 plus 3. Total कितना आ गया? 6. So these are the 6 dots. If you connect these dots like this, you will get the triangle. 1 plus 2. So each row has one more dot, one more number than the previous. पहले में एक था, फिर बाद में 2, second में 2, first 1, in second 2, second rows 2, third rows 1 2 3. So one more, suppose that there are these are 6 wala. Similarly you can do it for the 10 15. Okay, so like this, 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 3 4. So what, here is 1, here is 2, here is 3, here is 4. If you sum up all these, 1 plus 2 3 3 3 6 plus 4 10. So these makes triangles. If you form it like this makes triangle. So this is all about triangular pattern. These are the triangular number. So mathematically, if suppose that there are nth triangular number Tn, so what does the formula become? Tn equal to n into n plus 1 by 2. This is the formula for this. In the bigger classes you will read the same formula. So suppose that I'll put the n की value 1. So in place of n you are putting the value of 1. So T1 equal to 1 into 1 plus 1 upon 2. 1 plus 1 कितना हो गया? 2 upon 2. 2 से 2 cancel तो कितना आ गया? 1. The first dot is 1. If I'll put T2, n की जगह पे 2 इक्वल टू n की जगह पे 2, ब्रैकेट स्टार्ट, 2 plus 1 अपॉन 2 plus 1 how much? 3 upon 2 से 2 cancel, what will you get? 3. Similarly if you get T3, 3 into 3 plus 1 upon 2, so 3 into 4 upon 2, 2 to the 4, 3 to the 6. So these are the number you are getting, 1 3 6 10 15. So this is one of the important formula for triangular pattern. So if you understand this formula, it will keep going. In simple word, triangular number are about adding up natural number one by one. So adding up natural number one by one. So what are the natural number? Natural number which are counting number 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, so like 1 plus 2 3. Okay, so 1 plus 2 plus 3 6. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 10. 10 plus 5 15. So you are getting these triangular patterns. Okay, so this is the triangular patterns. Okay, so you like n into n plus 1 by 2. So imagine stacking of balls. First one ball on top, again say 2 ball in below, then 3 ball here, and then 4 ball here. So this is a visual idea, so you can draw some diagram at home. This is all about triangular pattern. This is one of the important pattern. So do remember Tn equal to n into n plus 1 upon 2. This is for the bigger classes. Otherwise, if you are in small classes, you are in class 6, so you should remember 1 3 6, adding up natural number one by one, you will get triangular number. So this is the triangular number pattern. Thank you very much for watching our channel. Do like, subscribe and share the channel. Thank you very much.